Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our sixth video in Qt5 C GUI application development. In the previous video we have covered about layouts in Qt5 C++. In this video I'm going to talk about adding CSS styles to your GUI application. Qt Designer allows us to design our application, our graphical user interface application with Qt style sheets that is similar to the CSS Cascading Style Sheet. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add CSS styles to your application. Now let me create a new file or project and Qt widget application. I'm going to call this CSS styles like this, and this time I'm going to choose Q main window, next, and finish. Okay, now we have our window in here. Okay, now how you can add style sheets to your for example, for your for example, I have a widget in here, a push button. Click me. Now I want to add some CSS style for my this push button. Now how you can add this? There are two ways that you can add. The first way that you can select just your that widget and go to the change style sheet. You can do, and you can write your style sheet in here. But the second way that you can target all of your widgets like push buttons, you can just select your this main layout and right click and change style sheets. Okay, now I'm going to add my style sheets in here. For example, Q push button. I want to target the push button. Now you can simply add this. Okay, now in here I want to give a border for my button. I want this should be 2 pixel, solid gray. Also I need a border dash radius, and I'm going to give a 10 pixel radius. Also I need a padding, I give it 0 at pixel. Also I need a background, and I give it a yellow background. Okay, after this click on apply and click on OK. You can see now I have this kind of button. Let me save this, and now because I have targeted all push buttons, not just this button, if I add another button, you can see now it's like this, and if I add another button, it also change like this. Okay, this and but if you want to just target one button, for example, now let me, yeah, you can see that this is my button. I want just that my this first button should be this, and these buttons be I don't want to add the CSS styles to my these buttons. I want to just add for this. For this I'm going to choose this and click on change style sheet, and now in here you can see that in here I have object name in here. This is push button, this is push button 2, and this is push button 3. Now you can, I'm going to just select this and change style sheet, and for this I'm going to add just push button. Okay, and after this click on apply, click on OK. Now you can see that these buttons are not styled, and just this button. Now if I add another button, this will not be styled. And also for let me for this button, for I want to give another color. Let me change style sheet and let me copy this and paste it in here, and I'm going to remove this I want to just give a border to 0 pixel, and I don't need to the radius, and I give a color red, and for the background I change this to yellow, to the white, sorry. This is our text color. Now if I apply this and if I OK this, you can see now I have these kind of buttons in here. Also you can run this save all. Now you can see this is my push buttons and with the colors. And like this you can give you can target, for example, if you want to add another widget. For example, I want to add a list widget, and let me try this. I haven't tried this yet, and the object name is list widget. Okay, just I want to target our list widget, and I'm going to change the style sheet, and I just copy this and paste it in here, and just change this to Q list widget, and I'm going to give a background for this, background red Q list widget. Now click on apply. Now yeah, you can see that it is working. Let me run this. Like this you can give nice styles for your widget, and you can create a stylish application using Qt style sheets. That is, you can see that this is similar to the CSS styles, like this. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.